Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for joining us. Please stay watching for the Australian Stock Market Open Report. ASX 200 opens in red. Who are the major losers? The ASX 200 on Friday opened lower, down 41.40 points or 0.61% to 6,792.60 after the Wall Street ended lower as new economic data showed slow progress in recovery. In addition, the investors appeared eager to shift from high-value stocks to other growth stocks. On Thursday, the S&P 500 fell 2.45% to 3,829.34. The Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 1.75% to 31,402.01. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index was down 3.52% to 13,119.43, and the small-cap Russell 2000 dropped 3.69% to 2,200.17. So who are the top losers? The laggards were ServiceStream Limited and the A2 Milk Company Limited, down 21.41% and 16.17% respectively. Sandfire Resources Ltd up 11.11% and Nanosonics Ltd up 9.53% were among the top gainers. How ASX 200 progressed in the last 5 days. Over the last 5 days, the index is virtually unchanged but is currently 2.10% below its 52-week high. On Thursday, the ASX 200 closed at 6,834, up 56.20 points or 0.83%. The broader All Ordinaries Index was up 0.799%, while the ASX 200 VIX Index was down 6.764%, while energy was up 1.598%, industrials was down 0.726%. Australian dollar, bonds, oil and Bitcoin. The Australian dollar US cross was trading down 1.21% to 0.7879. WTI Crude Oil futures last traded up 0.40% to US $63.47 per barrel. The Australian government's 10-year bond yield stood at 1.877, up 8.9%. Bitcoin was trading 0.99% down to US 48,358. Thanks for watching Sage Reporting for Kalkine Media.